there are so many things that have to be correct for this product to work and to exist. The first one is the water. You can't use any old water to make this product. The description of this product in the Rig Veda of 5600 BC refers to a specific water. There are something like 280 words for water in Sanskrit. And so the description in the Rig Veda refers specifically to the meltwater of Mount Kailash. Now, if you're a Hindu, you'll know where Mount Kailash is. It's a mountain that's in Tibet, now China these days, and it's a sacred mountain to the Hindus. It's considered to be the earthly home of Shiva. And you're not allowed to climb the mountain. You can go walk around it, which intriguingly I have done, but I didn't know why I was doing it. It was, nearly 2 years before Nano Soma turned up in my life. And when I heard about this, I went, oh my God, now I know why I was there. And so it talks about the meltwater of Mount Kailash. And Raghu has actually found that, if you like, glacial meltwater, the water from Austria, from Switzerland, from Norway and New Zealand can be used to make the product. And so the product is made in bulk in Switzerland, but you can't take any old water and make this product. It doesn't work. The particles clump. This has a very small particle size that's very precise and is very stable when you get the product right. Stable on the, Raghu says today these products are stable forever. He might be right, certainly well over 10 years so far. But if you don't get it right, and it's not just the water, there are several other things about how it's made and what's used to make it and so on that have to be absolutely spot on. It just doesn't work.